Hi guys, welcome to my channel Regedit. Today, we will learn how to disable automatic updates in Windows Update. Because when we are doing important work on PC, suddenly Windows Update comes and it takes a lot of time to update, which is really frustrating. In this video, we will disable automatic updates on computer with the help of 2 steps. So let's start. First of all, press Windows plus R key. Run command will open. Here you have to type services.msc and hit OK. By doing this, you will see a new window. Now select any application and press W and scroll down, and go to Windows Update and right-click, go to Properties, and select Disable, then Apply and OK. You can disable it permanently like this. Now let's move on to the second step. You have to press the Windows and R keys again. And this is how the Run window will open. Now you type regedit. Once you type regedit, press OK. Here go to H key local machine and then go to software. Now here in software, we are looking for policies and then Microsoft, and here we are looking for Windows. Now in Windows, right-click and go to New, click on the key, and type Windows Update. Once you have typed Windows Update, just press Enter. Right-click on Windows Update and click on New, select the key, type O and press Enter. Once you have done that, select O, and on the right-hand side, just right-click, click on New. Select D-Word 32-bit value. And type no auto update. Make sure you don't give any space. So once you have typed no auto update, press Enter or click anywhere and just double click on it. Here we need to give value 1 to disable and press OK. So this way you have successfully disabled the Windows Update permanently in your Windows 10, 7, and 8 computers. If you like the video, then like and share it. If you are new on the channel, then subscribe it. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.